Hello students, welcome to Gurudev Academy Dharwad. In the today's session, let's begin with a discussion on the multiple choice questions on real numbers topic. Okay, so I hope you are preparing well for our Gurudev entrance test 2025 which will be held on 5th January 2025, right? To make your preparation the best, so we are conducting a small session for the multiple choice questions, especially on mathematics subject. Soon we will be coming with on science subjects too. So let's begin with the questionnaires. The HCF of any two numbers is, please observe, the HCF of any two numbers is, the HCF of any two prime numbers is 0, 2, 1 and -1 is the question, right? So for this you should have an idea, so don't forget this. What do you mean by HCF? HCF, we call it as highest common factor. Highest common factor, isn't it? What do you mean by highest common factor? The common factor which is highest among the given two numbers, right? Now we have two prime numbers. So let us take simple example. Suppose if I am choosing a prime number as, say, 2 is one prime number, 3 is another prime number. If I ask you what is HCF of 2 and 3, which is common in these two, first of all 2 into 1, 3 into 1, so definitely common factor is 1, right? Suppose if you take another two set of numbers, that is, say that 17 and 5, right? Both are prime numbers. Again, what is common in these two? 1. Therefore, if you consider the highest common factor of any given two numbers, especially prime numbers, then definitely 1 should be the answer. Hence, such numbers are called as co-prime numbers. I repeat, if highest common factor of any two numbers is 1, then such two numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Therefore, what should be your answer in this case? Answer in this case is option C. Done. So let's begin with the next question. The number that represents the remainder when 9 is equal to 6 into 3 plus 1 is compared with Euclid division lemma, that is A is equal to BQ plus R anta helidare. Done. So let us take care of that. So second question is nodi, right? Euclid division lemma, we know that A is equal to BQ plus R, right? Then you are going to compare 19 is equal to 6 into 3 plus 1 expression, right? I hope you remember Euclid lemma. So there is a relationship between divisor, dividend and the remainder, correct? Right? So comparing these two relations, so it is easy to understand that the remainder is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, remainder is equal to 1, right? Divisor, quotient and the remainder. You have to connect all the three. Done. So therefore, in this case, what should be my answer? It should be equal to 1. You are just comparing that. If A is equal to 19, B into Q is 6 into 3 plus R here plus 1. Therefore, what should be your answer? 1. Done. Let's go for next one. Question number 3. If the HCF of 72 and 120, there are two numbers, 72 and 120, right? Their HCF is given. What is HCF? Highest common factor is defined as 24. Then question is to find the LCM. Done. So let me recall a concept once again over here, right? We know that if there are two numbers, then HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers, the same two numbers, is always equal to product of the two numbers. I repeat, the HCF of two numbers same a comma b, LCM of two numbers same a comma b, then it will be always equal to product of HCF and LCM is always equal to product of two numbers, that is a into b. So here he has already given HCF is how much? 24. LCM we don't know. Which are the given two numbers? 72 and 120. Now it's all about cancellations. 24 ones are 24 fives are. Therefore, what is L is equal to 72 into 5. Is it equal to 360? Therefore, what is LCM of two numbers? 360. Hence, I will go with option C as the right answer. Done? Let's go for fourth question. If A and B are any two positive integers such that HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B. I think this is the same question which I have explained for third one, isn't it? What they have given is HCF of two numbers into LCF of two numbers is always equal to product of the given two numbers. Therefore, I will go with option A. Done? I hope you have understood this simple concept. Let's go for fifth question. Question number 5. This is question number 4. In the following numbers, irrational number is anta kelidare. Let's decode one by one. First one. Root 16 minus root 9. Don't you think root 16 is 4, root 9 is 3, should be equal to 1, right? Option B. 3 by 4, which is in the form of P by Q. Option C. 0.333 so on. So as it is repeating decimals, is it equal to 3 divided by 9? Yes. Option D. 2 plus root 3. Done. Now if you observe carefully, first one is 1, it's a natural number, right? 3 by 4 is a rational number. 3 by 9 is also a rational number, where 2 plus root 3 definitely an irrational number. Why it is called irrational number? Because it cannot be expressed in the form of rational number, P by Q. So you have 2 plus root 3. Hence, which is irrational number among 4 options anta helidre, I will go with option D as the right answer. Done? So that's all for today's session. I hope you understood some of the concepts from these first 5 questions. In the next session, we will begin with another 5 questions. Thank you.